Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
To divert that rain from running down the side of the building north to south, and then being able to get in the seams of that storefront door. And during my research, I came across your, is it your Pemko rain drip? Does that sound correct?
Well, the words sound like they're correct.
I'm trying to find exactly what it was. I had it pull up. Oh, here it is. It's Pemko 346C clear anodized aluminum overhead rain drip.
Okay.
Do you all carry that?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, perfect. So my next question was, is there, I'm located in Richmond, Virginia. My question is, do you guys have a preference on installation contractors out in this area? Or B, would you have a installation comment or best practice that you could point me in to read about before I install it myself?
No to the former and no to the latter. But, I mean, if you just want to slap on a 346 over the header, I'd be happy to tell you how I would do it. Yeah, what would you use? Because I was doing a little bit, obviously you would need some kind of adhesive/sealant, and then there's also that butyl rubber that's adhesive on both sides. Yeah, let me pick you apart on that. What would you do for that? Well, if I was going to install a 346, I would be me and one other person. I'd have one person on each side of the opening, and I would, once I've received the drip cap, and it's cut to the outside dimension of the frame. Yep. If you got a pair of 3-foot doors and the face dimension is 1.5 inches, it'd be a 75-inch length drip cap. I would place it on the header. I would pull it down as far as I can so as to maintain normal door operation. I would make sure that it was level. I would mark the holes. I would pre-drill the holes. I would then take the unit down and run poly seam seal, is what I would personally use, through the back side of the entire unit. And then me and the other person would hold it up there, and we would each put a screw in, and probably have a couple of damp cloths to clean up the squishy poly seam seal caulk. And I'd call it a day. Easy money. Gotcha. Okay, 10-4. That is, hold on one second. While I got you online, I appreciate you offering that advice to me. The only thing, and I figured I could probably find a picture of, when you were saying the dimensions on that are going to fit, you said how far outside of the door, 1.5 inches on each side, is that correct, for a 75-inch total? Well, what I said was, if you had a pair of 3-foot doors and your face dimension on the jamb was 1.5 inches, you would have an OD of 75 inch. So saying that more simply, a drip cap runs the entire overall width of the frame, not the doors. Correct. Understood. Okay, well, it doesn't sound like there's a whole lot to it. And then would you guys, if I ordered them from you all to specific dimensions, what is your lead time typically on that material? Do you know? Well, if it's a dimension that we don't stock, or it's one that we don't stock and you're unwilling to cut a stock length, the answer is likely 3 or 4 weeks. But we'd probably go with, depending on how many you need, there might be a manufacturer that can ship faster. But we do stock drip caps, so cutting it, it's just aluminum, so cutting it on a chop saw is easy work. Yeah, no biggie. Okay, perfect. And then if you do have it in stock, it's going to be a little bit less than 3 to 4 weeks, you're saying? If I've got it in stock, it'd be typically 1 to 2 days. Perfect. Okay, I appreciate it. And then I think that's pretty much it. If I have any other questions, and you guys sell, is there any specific that poly seal that you would recommend? Poly seam seal? I use polyseam seal caulk. We don't really sell it, but it's something that's great for exterior and interior use. You know, the cheaper caulk you buy, the cheaper quality job you're going to get. Buy the best caulk, and polyseam seal. Back 25 years ago, that stuff was $5 a tube. But it's what I use. It's great for moisture applications. It's like if you're going to seal a tub, shower in a tub, polyseam seal's great. But the cleanup is an issue. The damp cloth part, have those ready to go because you will need to wipe, you know, because the stuff's tenacious.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Well, perfect. Well, I appreciate your time, and I will do a little bit more digging and then see if we're going to go with that option. I appreciate it, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.